western Racine and eastern Kenosha counties. At 12:48 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near South Milwaukee to Racine to near Lake Villa, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado north of Mount Pleasant. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Windpoint, Caledonia, Bristol, Summers, Elmwood Park, North Bay, and Franksville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm